internet darlings. It's your music festival muses, Rarity and Applejack here, presenting our camping must-haves.
Now, you're gonna be out in the hot sun all day long, so be sure to bring plenty of sunscreen.
Of course, your SPF won't be complete without a chapeau. And it should match your parasol and your blanket, of course.
But you don't really need all that.
And maybe a scarf.
I can think of two must-haves for making an outhouse feel like an in-house. Bring your own TP and plenty of hand sanitizer.
Be sure to include 1 or 2 all-natural moisturizers. Never hurts to have a whole set.
You can't go 3 days without them.
I'll fit them in, darling. I'll just tuck them in next to the cushion seat cover, air freshening candle set, and 4-panel privacy screen.
And finally, you'll need a sleeping bag for a few hours of shut-eye.
Plus pillows! Travel pillows, body pillows, accent pillows, throw pillows, bolster pillows, hypoallergenic pillows.
And where are you planning to put all them pillows? Excuse me? What happened to bringing only our must-haves?
This is a one-of-a-kind bespoke 4-poster bed. I absolutely must have it.
Camping's about making do with what you got. It's about breaking off a stick to roast marshmallows or rustling up pine needles for deodorant.
But darling, we're not camping.
Huh?
We're glamping.
Well, I think I'm gonna like glamping.